If you type two capital letters at the beginning of a word, well, then Word assumes that you made a typing error and it's going to attempt to correct your mistake. In this quick tip, you discover how to disable this AutoCorrect feature. Word tries its level best to be a good guesser at what you're attempting to do. For instance, as you are typing along, if you type a word where the first two letters are uppercase and the next letter is lowercase, Word will figure you just have slow fingers and didn't release the shift key in time to make the second letter lowercase. So it dutifully changes the second letter to lowercase to help you out. As an example, watch what happens when I type place and the first two letters are capitalized. Notice that Word automatically corrects it to be place with only the first letter capitalized. There are some situations where this behavior can be bothersome. For instance, you may have a company or product name in which the first two letters are always capitalized, such as Intech or MyPhone. In these cases, Word also tries to do its magic and change the capitalization, which can cause no end of proofreading passes and related problems. One solution to this problem is to turn off the correction that Word does to what you type, at least for this particular capitalization issue. Start by displaying the Word Options dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, click on Proofing, and then click on AutoCorrect Options. Word displays the AutoCorrect dialog box. Here you want to make sure that the AutoCorrect tab is displayed. It should be displayed by default. This option, Correct Two Initial Capitals, is the checkbox that controls this feature. If the checkbox is selected, as it is by default, then Word makes the change. If the change bugs you, then just clear the checkbox. You can then click on OK to dismiss that dialog box and OK to get rid of the Word Options dialog box. Now Word will behave as you desire when you type two capital letters at the beginning of the word. Watch, for instance, when I backspace over all of this and we type again and put PL as capitalized. Notice that it does mark it as a potential error, but it leaves the capitalization exactly as I did it a moment ago. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.